Okay, our ingredients here, we have 3¼ cups of coffee, which has been cooled, 3/4 of a cup of whipping cream, half a cup of sugar, and we're going to put in 2 cups of whole milk. So we'll put the sugar into the coffee. Just give that a bit of a stir. And put the whipping cream in next. So now we'll pour this into the machine. And now we'll put our 2 cups of milk. So we're getting really close to the max fill. Didn't quite, mix this perfect. So some of the sugar's still on the bottom here. Just adding a few drops in. It's going to shake that around. There, I got all the sugar out now. So we'll close the lid. Okay, now we're going to go for a temperature of 1.6. So this is minus 1.6, and this is on the juice setting. So we'll put this on and we'll come back in 10 minutes and then another 10 minutes and just see how this is freezing. So we'll press start here. Okay, it's been 10 minutes now and we're still on the plus side. As you can see, it's, plus 6.5. So nothing's freezing yet, 6.4. Now, if you want a stronger coffee flavor, reduce the amount of cream and add more cold brew. So it's totally up to you later how you want to make this taste. But we'll come back and check this in 10 minutes. Okay, this is after 20 minutes. Now we're at minus 0.8. So it's slowly starting to freeze in there. But we still have a ways to go, so we'll check back in about another 10 minutes. Okay, this is 30 minutes later, and it's now at minus 1.1. So we still have a ways to go. We'll check back in a bit. Okay, it just finished beeping at the minus 1.6. So we're going to try pouring these now. It's really caked up all around here. Of course, when it first comes out, it's a little bit watery. So we'll pour a second one here. So how does it taste? Wow, really good. Just like a Timmy's Iced Capp. You know, of course, it depends on what coffee you're using, but I think this is awesome. And you still have the option of making this thicker if you want. But for me, this is, I'd say just fine. Well, thanks for watching.